morning to all. We are the students of St. Joseph's English Medium School and Junior College, Kodak. Today we are going to speak about my promise to nature. I promise to keep my surrounding clean. On the ground, I will plant more trees. Nature gives us air, water and food. I promise to protect the trees. I will not cut the trees. I will grow trees at home and school. We should love nature. I promise to keep my school clean. I will use dustbin always. Clean place is a happy place.
Earth is our home. I promise to reduce plastic use. I will reuse and recycle things.
Nature is our best friend. I promise to save animals and birds. I will not harm them. I will give water to birds.